Hey, so I've seen the video go viral about how you can make a folder when you open up Google Chrome, and when you click on the folder, it can open all the tabs that you would normally have to click on one by one to open up every morning when you get to work. But I know this other hack that I thought, since seeing that video might interest you guys. It's a little bit faster in my opinion. So if you open up Google Chrome, mine is usually set up to open to Symbaloo. Recently, I have changed it to where basically like the folder, you can open it up and it will go ahead and open up all the tabs that you need. So if you come over here to your settings, it's those three little dots, go to settings for your Google Chrome. On the left side over here, when it loads, school Wi-Fi, you're going to choose on startup. As you can see, I have it open a specific page or set of pages. So that's our woo moment. So instead of just one page, I'm going to add another page. I do want it to open up my YouTube account because I am doing the news for our school every day still. So I'm going to add that. I want it to open up, of course, Schoology. So I'm just going to there first, and I'm going to click on the link and copy and paste it because I want it to open up my Schoology. So Control C, Control V. I'm going to add that one. So far I want it to open up Symbaloo, my YouTube channel, Schoology page. I do want it to open up our login page where we when we get to work, we go ahead and clock in. So we use this system. I'm going to copy that and paste that one in. You can do as many as you would like. You might want to do your email as one since we're getting a lot of emails these days. So those are all set. So to show you what it did, I'm going to exit out of everything. So now when I click on Google Chrome, it should open up all of those pages that I just saved. So I clicked on Google Chrome. I'm going to wait for it to do its magic, and voila. It's got my Symbaloo. It's going to open up my YouTube channel, Schoology, and our Clock-In website. I hope you found this helpful. I hope it's a little bit faster now that you just click on your web browser, and that's all you have to do to get ready in the mornings.